Hello everyone, welcome to the another video on SQL Server. Now today we'll see about string data type in SQL Server. To store the data in string format, we are using the data type character, varchar and text. But out of that, text is now deprecated. We will not be using it. It supports, like if we define the any column with text data type, it will support, but it is not optimal to use because the previously what was happening, there was the limit for varchar to up to 8,000 characters. Above that, varchar won't be able to store the values. In that cases we were using the text, but now in case of varchar max we can store up to 2 GB. That's why the text is deprecated now. In case of character, we can store like up to 8,000 only, but I'll give you the difference. In case of character varchar and varchar. In case of character, if we define the column with 10 length, then every time we insert the value into that column, it will occupy the 10 byte of data. If we have inserted a single word, single alphabet into that column, then also it takes tens, or if we have inserted 10 digits, then also it will take the 10 byte of data. But in case of varchar, what happens? If we define a varchar of 200 and insert only 3 digits, then in case of that, it will not like occupy the 200 bytes. Instead of that, it will occupy only 5 bytes. 3 for the space, 3 for the digit, and plus 2 for the like how much length of the string. In 2 bytes it store the length of the string. Like that, if we have inserted the row of 150 character, then it will occupy 152 bytes of data. Plus 2 will be added to just to store the length of the string. In case of varchar, it behaves same as in case of n varchar, it behaves same as a varchar. Just in in case of n varchar, it can store a uh, data that is out of ASCII Unicode. Like if you have defined this, and this is like if we have defined 200 characters, in that case it takes 400 bytes. Simply double. And varchar takes double data than varchar. Like that. Like we'll see into the practical. Okay. Yes. Okay. We have declared 3 variables here: varchar, char, and varchar. And we have assigned some value. And we have specified every variable length is 5 character. Now we are assigning less than 5 character. Uh, to define n varchar, we have to mention n before giving the value to let the SQL server know that this is a encoded value. But in most of cases, we will not be using n varchar. Most of time, we'll use varchar and character only. Okay, let's execute this. Now you can see, in case of varchar, we have defined the length of 5, but we have assigned the 3 digits only, 3 places. Then it took 3 bytes only. The plus 2 bytes are not shown here in record, but it is calculated like inside the SQL server, and that overhead is not shown here. That's why we'll get a 3 here. In case of varchar, we have get a 5 length, but here we have assigned only 2 digits, but it will occupy a 5 places. In case of varchar 5, we have assigned 4 digits, and it occupies the 8 bytes of memory, like that. What if we have like the mentioned the length of varchar 5, but we have given the output of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9? What will be happening? we'll see. What is happening that it won't give any error, but the length of the varchar is 5 digit, then it will take only 5 digit and stores, and remaining value got truncated and it won't be recorded anywhere. You can see up to 5 it only records. In every type data type it records only the specified limit. What if we have changed it to 6? It will store 6 digits only. Up to 6 digit only it will store. Okay. But what happened if we define in table? Like we'll create one table. We'll try to insert the values which are less than specified limit. We are inserting 3 values in each column now. Okay, it got inserted. What we insert more than specified values, it won't be able to store. In case of declaring variable, it won't give error. But in case of if we try to insert the data into table, it will give error like that. What it is saying, truncation error. It will say that a data would be truncated like that. That's all for today, guys. And from tomorrow, we'll try to study